Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the Yeardle puzzle. 3 more events that took place in the same year, and I'm going to try and guess what year that was. And these are very confusing events. A play, Love's Last Shift, is first performed in London. I've never heard of that play. Is it really one of the 3 most famous events that took place in this year? Does that make me think it's more recent or more old? Feels like it's going to be post-Shakespeare. But of course that's not actually a guarantee. I've never heard of that guy in the middle clue. That doesn't help. And then the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth. I really should know when the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth was around. But I don't know when it was around, let alone when it became vacant. So this is going to be a bit embarrassing. Oh dear. Oh, I have no idea. I mean, it feels like it's. I'm still sticking with my original hypothesis that it's post-Shakespeare. It's going to be the last 400 years, isn't it? It's not going to be earlier than that. In fact, it's definitely not going to be earlier than that, because the Caribbean Netherlands, I've never heard of any of the people mentioned in that middle clue, but for them to... the Caribbean Netherlands wouldn't have existed before 1600, would it? So we're talking somewhere between 1600 and 2000. Well, between 1600 and 1914, I suppose. Let's go. I mean, that top clue, I don't know, it sounds Victorian. Let's say it's Victorian. Let's go 1840. Okay, I'm within 200 years. I kind of knew that. I was hoping I'd be a little bit closer. Let's go a bit earlier. Okay, we'll go a bit later then. Ah, okay, I was right to go earlier. I feel less bad now that I know it's before 1720. The earliest it can be is 1640, so it is between 1640 and 1720, so it is post-Shakespeare, as I said. What's a sensible guess? Let's try 1710. That's why I deliberately went for 1710, because it says I'm at least 11 years away, but it can't be 11 years later. We learnt that on the previous 2 clues. So it's got to be between 1670 and 1700. Let's try 1695. Oh, bit of a lucky guess there. I just thought it would be... Given that it was between 1670 and 1700, I just assumed it would be slightly later in that region. Some of my other guesses have been off, but that one was right on point. We'll try the even years. We'll try the other even year. And if that was wrong, it would have had to be 1693. So I was guaranteed to succeed at that point, but still I'm glad to get it in 7 rather than 8. So that's 144 years off of my first guess. Not brilliant, but... better than my average. I'm 100% certain there are people watching that did even better than that. I'm sure lots of people watching did better than that. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.